Solve the inequalities. First inequality is minus 15 less than 3 in bracket x minus 2 divided by 5 less than or equal to 0. So first of all, multiply each and every term of this inequality by 5. So 5 is a positive real number. Since 5 is a positive real number, inequalities will not change. They remain as it is. So less than or equal to other ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore 5 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get, this implies minus 15 into 5 is less than 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5 into 5 is less than or equal to 0 into 5. Now this 5 gets cancelled. Minus 15 into 5, it is minus 75. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7. It is less than 3 into x minus 2, it is less than or equal to 0 into 5 is 0. Again divide each and every term by 3. Since 3 is a positive real number, again inequalities remain as it is. So this implies minus 75 by 3 less than 3 into x minus 2 divided by 3 and it is less than or equal to 0 by 3. Here 3 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Here 1 is remaining 15. 3 5s are 15. So this implies minus 25 less than x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0 by 3 means it is 0. Now adding 2 on each and every term, adding 2 to the each and every term of the inequality. So minus 25 plus 2 less than x minus 2 plus 2 less than or equal to 0 plus 2. So we get minus 25 plus 2 means minus 23 less than plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. We get x and it is less than or equal to 0 plus 2 means 2. Therefore, the value of x lies in between minus 23 to 2 including 2. ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ we can write it as x belongs to minus 23 to 2 including 2 excluding minus 23. So minus 23 ಕಡೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ, 2 ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. So this is the value of x. Similarly, let us solve next question. Solution. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, minus 12 less than 4 minus 3x divided by minus 5 less than or equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. First of all, subtract 4 to each and every term. So ಪ್ರತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ minus 4 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So minus 12 minus 4 less than 4 minus 3x divided by minus 5 minus 4 less than or equal to 2 minus 4. ಪ್ರತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ minus 4 ಅನ್ನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 4 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. Now minus 12 minus 4 means minus 16. So this implies minus 16. ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 4 minus 4 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus into minus plus ಆಯಿತು. So it is less than 3x divided by 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ 3x divided by 5 ಆಯಿತು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 minus 4 ಅಂದರೆ minus 2. ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 5 ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ 5 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ 5 ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ we shall multiply each and every term by 5. ಆದರೆ 5 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ minus 16 into 5 is less than 3x by 5 into 5 is less than or equal to minus 2 into 5. Here this 5 gets cancelled. So it implies minus 16 into 5. It is minus 80. It is less than 3x and it is less than or equal to minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. Now divide by 3 to each and every term. So ಪ್ರತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 3, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 3, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. minus 80 by 3 is less than x and it is less than or equal to minus 10 by 3. Therefore, the value of x lies in between minus 80 by 3 to minus 10 by 3. ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ x belongs to minus 80 by 3 to minus 10 by 3, including minus 10 by 3 but excluding minus 80 by 3. So this is the value of x. Next solution, 7 is less than or equal to 3x plus 11 by 2 less than or equal to 11. This implies multiply 2 to each and every term. So 2 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 7 into 2 less than or equal to 3x plus 11 by 2 into 2 less than or equal to 11 into 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. Now 7 2s are 14 is less than or equal to 3x plus 11 and again it is less than or equal to 11 2s are 22. Now subtracting 11. So ಪ್ರತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ 11 ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 14 minus 11 less than or equal to 3x plus 11 minus 11 and it is less than or equal to 22 minus 11. Plus 11 minus 11 cancel ಆಯಿತು. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. This implies 14 minus 11 means 3 and it is less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 22 minus 11 means 11. Now dividing by 3. So divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Okay, here 3 gets cancelled, here also 3 gets cancelled. We get 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 11 by 3. Therefore, the value of x in terms of interval can be written as x belongs to closed interval 1 to 11 by 3. Closed interval ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇದನ್ನ represent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So this is the value of x.